In this video, we're going to look at doing another sound swap word chain. So we'll start with our counters again, and then we'll move on to using our letter tails. All right, so remember the first word we hear, we're going to break it up. We're going to segment it into the sounds we hear, and we're going to touch a counter for every sound that we hear as we say them. We're going to bring them down into the boxes and say them as we do that, and then we're going to slide our finger along as we blend the sounds back together to say the word. All right, the first word is map. M-A-P. M-A-P. Map. All right, the next word, what we're going to do is one of our sounds is going to change. So the word was map, now the word is mat. So we had m-a-p, now we've got m-at. Which one changed? Yeah, this one changed. Swap it out. M-at, mat. All right, this time our new word is fat. So we had m-at, now we have f-at. Which one changed? Swap it out. The first sound changed. F-at, fat. All right, the next word is sat. So we had f-at, and now we've got s-at. Which one changed? Swap it out. Good job. S-at, sat. All right, this time the word is sap. So we had s-at, now we want s-ap. Which one changed? Swap it out. The last sound changed. S-ap, sap. All right, this time the word is sip. We had s-ap, now we want s-ip. Which one changed? Swap it out. It's the middle sound. S-ip, sip. This time we're going to change a sound to turn sip into tip. So we had s-ip. Now we're going to have t-ip. Which one changed? Swap it out. T-ip, tip. Now we're going to change tip into tap. So we had t-ip. Now we want t-ap. Which one changed? Swap it out. T-ap, tap. Now we're going to change tap to cap. T-ap, but we want k-ap. Which one changed? Swap it out. K-ap, cap. Now we're going to change cap to cat. K-ap, but we want k-at. Which one changed? Swap it out. K-at, cat. Now we're going to change cat to pat. We had k-at, now we want p-at. Which one changed? Swap it out. P-at, pat. Good job. Now we're going to get rid of the counters and we're going to swap them out for letter tails and do the same thing. Let's review what sounds we've got. S, p. Say it with me. A, f, k, t, m, p, a, m, t, s, f, k. All right, so the first word we're going to make is map. M-A-p. Which letters do we need for those sounds? M, A, p, m, A, need to change something so that map becomes mat. At. Oh, that one needs to change. At, mat. Now I want you to change mat to fat. Oh, that's not right. What do we need to swap in? Fat. At, fat. All right, the next word we're going to change fat into sat. Oh, that's not right. At, sat. Now we're going to change sat to sap. So we want sap. Oh, that's not p. Let's swap it out. Where's p? P. Sap. Sap. Now we're going to change sap to sip. Oh, that's not where's Sip. Sip. Now we're going to change sip to tip. Tip. Oh, that one wasn't right, was it? Let's swap it out. Bring in the one we need. Tip. Tip. Now we're going to change tip to tap. Tip. But we want app. Which one changed? Take it out. What sound did we need? App. App. Tap. Now we're going to change tap to cap. So we have app, but we need app. Which one changed? Swap it out. We need the app, cap. Now we're going to change cap to cat. So we have app, but we need at. Which one changed? Swap it out. At, cat. Last one. We have cat, but we want to change a letter so that it says pat. Which sound do we need to change? We have at, but we want at. Which one do we need to change? Swap it out. At, pat. Well done.